Good evening, Caroline.
Hello, teacher.
Yes, good evening.
Good
How
evening,
are you
teacher.
today?
I'm good.
Okay, doing great. Okay, so for today, we are going to talk on developing five about your family. We're going to talk about, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so in the day five for developing five, we are going to talk about family. The topic is about our family. Okay, I know already how many members of the family do you have. Okay, so you have, okay, I can guess that you have 10, five members of the family. Okay, your brother, Messi, you, and mom and dad, right? Am I correct? Am
Yes.
I correct, Caroline?
Yes.
Okay, so the member of my family, Caroline, is Jillian's me, Jillian, my daughter, his dad, and my mother. Only four members of the family. Okay, so we are only, but my family only, it's me only, me, Jillian, and her dad. Okay, so we are only three in the family, three only, because Jillian is the only one. Okay. He has actually a brother, supposed to be, his brother is 18 years old now. But her brother died when it was like, 8 months in the in my tummy. So I born him, died already, dead already. So that's why. So Jillian's left alone. Okay, so we are only three in the family. Okay, so but mostly in my house, it's me, my dad, me, my mom, and Jillian. And then we have also cousins coming in our house. I have three. I have boy cousin. I have girl cousin who live in our house. Okay, just stay at night because my cousin has a business, a coffee shop business. Then my other cousin is a teacher. She is just visiting in our house. Like me, she is also a teacher. Then that's Jillian's dad is not working here right now. He is in Australia, and yeah, he is going to Australia, but he came from China. He worked as a seafarer, so that's why he doesn't have any permanent places to live. But he will coming soon next month. He will coming here in our home. He will come back. Will be soon home. He will be home soon. Okay. So that's it. That's my family. It's a small family. Okay. So okay, so we have here different vocabulary words, Caroline, about family. We have cousin. Okay, can you please read all? Cousin, waiter, like that. Please read all.
Cousin, waiter, uncle, aunt, divorce, pay action, pay attention, and come down.
Okay, so you have different, okay, different members of the family.
Yeah.
Okay, cousin. Oh, you know this cousin. Waiter, you know. Uncle, aunt, divorce, pay attention and calm down. Okay. Which of the word that you don't understand, Caroline?
Um. Oh, okay.
Which word that you don't understand?
No.
Yeah, which word that you don't understand from here? You understand all the words?
Yes.
Okay, very good. That's good to hear that you understand all the words. So we have here the word, okay, divorce. Do you know this one?
Yes, I know.
Okay, so pay attention. Do you know pay attention?
Yes.
Next one. So calm down. Do you know the word calm down?
Yes, I know.
Calm down, it means you will gonna calm down. Okay, so you have to take an effort to calm down. If ever you have a problems, you're not doing well, okay, so you have to calm down. Do not try to get angry too much. Do not try to shout out. Okay, that's calm down. Okay, next one we have the word grammar. We have the present simple tenses here. Okay. So we know already the present simple tenses. From the verb, we have affirmative, negative, and interrogative. Okay. So right
Mm.
here, Caroline, I already told you, Mom, that Nessie and you were gonna have to focus on speaking. She told me about that. But of course, sometimes we need to complete. I need to have a lesson also from reading and grammar a little bit only. Okay. So at least you will be familiar also. I will not let the opportunity to to I would like to grab the opportunity to have you this one. Okay, like this one. What do you think is the answer for number one?
Go.
Okay, go. Mm-hmm. Okay. And this, don't, right? How about this one, three?
Um, Play.
Play, because these are all plural. Okay. Next one, Tom.
Books.
Okay, it's works. Tom works. Okay. Five.
Tell.
Okay. Tell. He always tells us funny stories. Six.
He never helps me with that.
She never helps me with that. Okay, very good. Okay. Now, so at least you know that one. Okay. So if ever it's singular, this is really the pattern, Caroline. If it's singular, you have to put S to the verb. If you think it's plural, you, they, and I, so of course, the verb should also be plural. Okay, next one. Please try to, hey, listen.
That's your cousin Teddy. He's a waiter. He's single, and he likes rock music.
It's my brother, Eddie. He's a doctor. He's got a wife and 2 kids, and he likes classical music. How about this one?
I don't know. A cousin?
No.
Your brother?
No!
An uncle?
It's my Aunt Judy.
Sorry, Mrs. Morris. She looks like your uncle.
Tell me something about her.
She's an architect.
Artist.
Married.
Divorced.
2 kids. 3 kids. 4 kids. 5 kids?
No kids. Only 8 more. Here's an easy.
I don't know.
It's my father.
I know who your father is. Why are you showing me photos of your father?
My family is coming in 1 hour. Now pay attention.
Why do you have such a large family?
It's not that large.
Not that large. You have 6 brothers and sisters, 14 aunts and uncles. Who knows how many cousins, nieces, and nephews? I'd say that's a large family.
They're not all coming over.
No, just 18 of them.
I'm sorry, honey. I just want them to like you. Calm down. It's okay. You're doing fine.
Okay. I'm okay. Your cousin John?
Oh!
Okay, so did you hear it properly, Caroline?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So please, to double check that one, please try to read it. Okay. So I will be Cheryl and you will be Bob. Okay, please, Bob. Okay, I will be Bob first. That's your cousin Teddy. He's a waiter. He's single and he likes rock music. Cheryl?
It's my brother, Eddie. He's a doctor. He's got a wife and 2 kids, and he likes classical music. How about this one?
I don't know. A cousin?
No,
Your brother?
no.
And uncle?
It's my aunt, Judy.
Sorry, Mrs. Morris. She looks like your uncle. Hero, go.
Tell me something about her.
He's an architect.
Artist,
Married,
divorced,
2 kids, 3 kids, 4, 5 kids.
no kids, only 8 more. He's an easy one.
I don't know.
It's my father.
I know your father is. Why are you showing me photos of your father?
My
Cheryl?
family is coming.
Mm.
My family is coming in 1 hour. Now, pay attention.
Why do you have such a large family?
Not that large. You have 6 brothers.
Okay, not that
Hello.
large. Okay, it's not that large. Go again.
It's not that large.
Not that large. You have 6 brothers and sisters, 14 aunts and uncles. Who knows how many cousins, nieces, and nephews? I'd say that a large family.
There's not all coming over.
No, just 18 of them.
I'm sorry, honey. I just want them to like you. Calm down. It's okay. You're doing fine.
Okay, I'm okay. Your cousin John?
Oh,
Okay, very good. Okay, so I can see that you have a great, okay, you've got a great, you have a great reading. Okay, your enunciations is very good. Okay, Caroline, the way how you read and you have to enunciate words. Okay, so I will let you listen one more and please answer the questions. Okay? Sorry.
That's your cousin Teddy. He's a waiter. He's single. And he likes rock music.
It's my brother, Eddie. He's a doctor. He's got a wife and 2 kids, and he likes classical music. How about this one?
I don't know. A cousin?
No.
Your brother?
No!
An uncle?
It's my Aunt Judy.
Sorry, Mrs. Morris. She looks like your uncle.
Tell me something about her.
She's an architect.
Artist.
Married.
Divorced.
2 kids. 3 kids. 5 kids?
No kids. Only 8 more. Here's an easy.
I don't know.
It's my father.
I know who your father is. Why are you showing me photos of your father?
My family is coming in 1 hour. Now pay attention.
Why do you have such a large family?
It's not that large.
Not that large! You have 6 brothers and sisters, 14 aunts and uncles. Who knows how many cousins, nieces, and nephews? I'd say that's a large family.
They're not all coming over.
No, just 18 of them.
I'm sorry, honey. I just want them to like you. Calm down. It's okay. You're doing fine.
Okay. I'm okay. Your cousin John?
Oh!
Okay. Now, okay, are you ready for the questions?
I don't know the last question.
Okay. So it is not stated, he said, that Judy's occupations is architect, right? But Cheryl did not confirm it, right? She said it's architect, but she did not confirm it. Now, who is Cheryl's brother?
It's Eddie.
Okay, Eddie. Okay, Eddie is Cheryl's brother. Okay. What does Eddie do for a living? Uy,
He's a doctor.
he is a doctor. So Eddie is a doctor. Okay. Okay. How many aunts and uncles does Cheryl has? How many aunts and uncle does Cheryl has?
Cheryl has 14 aunts and uncles.
Okay, 14 aunt and uncle. Okay. She has 14 aunt and uncle. Okay. How many kids does Eddie have?
2 kids.
It's 2 kids. Does Eddie like classical or rock music?
Yes, he likes classical music.
Okay, he likes classical music. Okay. What is the name of Cheryl's aunt?
Wait, I missed this question. Let me check.
Okay. Okay. The name of Cheryl's aunt is Judy. Okay, this is Judy. And what is Judy's occupation? Okay. Please let us listen. What is Judy's occupation? I hear that she said it's an architect, but I did not hear Cheryl confirm about it.
That's your cousin Teddy. He's a waiter. He's single, and he likes rock music.
It's my brother, Eddie. He's a doctor. He's got a wife and 2 kids, and he likes classical music. How about this one?
I don't know. A cousin?
No.
Your brother?
No!
An uncle?
It's my Aunt Judy.
Sorry, Mrs. Morris. She looks like your uncle.
Tell me something about her.
She's an architect.
Artist.
Married.
Divorced.
2 kids. 3 kids. 5 kids?
No kids. Only 8 more. Here's an easy.
I don't know.
It's my father.
I know who your father is. Why are you showing me photos of your father?
My family is coming in 1 hour. Now pay attention.
Why do you have such a large family?
It's not that large.
Not that large! You have 6 brothers and sisters, 14 aunts and uncles. Who knows how many cousins, nieces, and nephews? I'd say that's a large family.
They're not all coming over.
No, just 18 of them.
I'm sorry, honey. I just want them to like you. Calm down. It's okay. You're doing fine.
Okay. I'm okay. Your cousin John?
Oh!
Hey, so did you hear it? So it's here, Caroline. We have here showing about Judy. Okay, it's my Aunt Judy. Hey, sorry, Mrs. Moy, she looks like your uncle. Okay, tell me, she's an artist. So Judy is an artist. Okay, that is the job of Judy. Okay, I heard it's architect, but Cheryl said it's artists. Hey, now, okay, thank you, Caroline, for answering the questions. So we have here, what are the occupations of your family members? The occupations of your family members are?
Just wait.
Okay, okay. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay, Caroline. No problem, Caroline.
Okay.
Okay.
My dad is a business and my mom is an accountant.
Mm-hmm.
They work in the same company.
Okay.
Yes, that's all.
Okay, so those are the, okay, so your dad is a businessman and your mom is an accountant, right? Now, yes. Based on the picture that you can see, Caroline, how many people are there in the picture and who do you think they are?
There are 6 people in the picture, and I think the woman with the curly hair,
Mm-hmm.
curly brown hair, is mom.
Mm-hmm.
The boy,
Mm-hmm. And
the
what
boy with
else?
the boy red t-shirt uh, is her son.
Okay, this one. Okay, another one.
The man behind is a grandfather, and the woman next one um, is wife, grandmother. The
Mm-hmm.
girl is a daughter, and the last boy is a father.
Okay. Okay. So who do you think the two old men here? Who do you think they are the grandma and the grandpa? Okay, as you can see, they are Black American, okay, or Black or maybe African. Okay, but the girl here, if you can see the girl, the mom is pretty, right? Can you
Yes,
see? She's pretty. She's black, but she's pretty. Okay. And look at this one. Okay. So the boy is not that black. So it's different from the girl. Okay. So maybe the family members, I don't know whose dad and mom is this. Okay, maybe the girl or maybe the boy. Okay. Now, do you live in a nuclear family or an extended family? Extended family, or you're living with your aunts, your uncles, together with your house?
um, I live in a nuclear family.
Okay, you live in the nuclear family, of course. Okay, if you live in the nuclear family, it should be you and your mom, your dad, and your siblings. But if you live in an extended family, of course, it's too many. So there are many in the family. Like example, your brothers and sisters are already having a family of their own, and they will gonna live there okay, together. It's a big family when you say extended family. So in my country, Caroline, most family they are trying to embrace the extended family, although their child or their parent, I mean, their children are already married. Example, they're 26 years old and they get married and they have kids. So they try to let the mother and father stay in their house. They were gonna live in one family, in one house. So that makes it extended family. So, it's not that uh, quite what do you call it one it's not quite advisable to be like that, but Filipinos attitude about family is very we consider our family as close knit tie. Okay, so it means that in one family, I mean, in one house, even though we are one family, but if our children, our mother, our father, grandmother, and grandfather, we're gonna live to the youngest daughter or son, mostly youngest daughter. They were gonna live there together with the family of their youngest daughter. So that is because Filipinos attitude is we embrace the close knit ties. Okay, so that's why. Okay, I don't know in Vietnam. Now, how much time do you manage to spend with the members of your family? How much time do you manage to spend with members of your family?
Hmm.
Like, do
I think
you
it's
spend it always, or you're gonna have it with your friend? How?
I think it's usually.
Hmm?
I think just usually.
Just usually. Okay. Like, I know that you are still kid, you are still teen, and you will gonna have, you will always be with your family. Like, how about Saturday and Sunday? Do you have family time, Caroline? Like, you will gonna stay in the house together with your mom and dad, or you will gonna watch movie, or do you have family time?
We always watch movie.
Yeah, do you have family time?
Yes.
Wow, okay, that's good to hear. At least you have family time together with each other. That's great. That's really good to hear, Caroline. Okay. So I was so amazed. Things like that. Okay. Now, what is your special moment with your family? I know we have special moment like that thing that we did every day. Okay, so we do have the so-called special moment. Okay, what is your special moment? Do you have this particular special moment in your family?
Um.
Do you have a special moment with your with your mom or with your dad? Like you're gonna watch movie or like that? Do you have this kind of bonding? We call it bonding, Caroline. In my country, we call it bonding. If you have special moment with your family, we call it bonding. So it means you are gonna have get together with your family, and that is a very nice bonding when you get together with your family. Call it bonding. How did you do that? Do you have like special time with your family?
I think I don't.
Hmm?
We don't.
You don't have. Oh, I thought you told me before that you were gonna walk together with your mom and dad, right? You were gonna
Yeah,
walk together with your mom and dad. You love it? You love to walk with your mom and dad?
yes.
Hey, that's good to hear. Okay, that's very good, Caroline. At least I know you're able to spend time with your family, and that's a very good decision, Caroline. Working with your family, with your mom and dad. Okay, like you're gonna have time to walk, to play with you. How about you and Messi? What is your relationship between you and Messi?
Uh,
Do you play?
yes. We always.
Always. Wow, that's great. At least you always play with Messi. I know Messi. How old is Messi, by the way?
Yes.
Messi is just how old?
Uh,
5? Hmm? How old is
ten,
Messi? Messi is, I mean, Messi is 8 or sorry, 8 or 9. Sorry, it's not 5. 8 or 9 years old?
he's
I
10.
guess so, right?
Yeah.
Yes, he's quite 9, 8, 8 years old, right? So, and Messi is a really nice kid. Okay. I think Messi is a nice kid. Now, what was the most important thing your parents taught you, Caroline? This is the very good questions. Again, what was the most important thing your parents taught you, Caroline?
Hmm.
Do you think is the most important thing that your parents taught you?
It's my two favorite books.
Like your parents taught you to be? What do you
But
think?
you,
What do you think is that your parents taught you?
sorry, I can't hear clearly.
Yeah. What was the most important thing that your parents taught you? Like, example, your parents told you to respect other people, like that, to obey other people. For you, what was the most important thing your parents taught you?
Hmm. Let me think.
Hmm? Go, you think first and then tell me. Okay, I know it's really hard for you.
Uh, it's too hard.
Okay. Okay, so do you have the answer now?
Mm, mm,
Anything, Caroline, that your mother tells you, or your dad tells you, or your dad and mom reminds you, Caroline, you have to be like this, like this, like that.
oh, yeah, my mom tells me that don't
Hmm?
fall in love early.
Again, sorry, I cannot hear properly, Caroline. Your mom tells you that?
Don't fall in love early.
Oh, don't. Your mom tells you that don't try to fall in love early. Okay, that is also what I tell to Jillian. Do not try to fall in love early because you are very young. As much as possible, you have to get your boyfriend after you finish your study. Okay, that's very important, Caroline. Okay, so what is your dream in life, Caroline? What do you want to be in the future?
What I want to be?
Yeah, what do you want to be in the future?
Hmm.
You want to be a doctor? Do you want to be a nurse? You want to be a flight attendant?
I want to be a photographer.
You want to be a
Photographer.
photographer? Yeah, is that
Yeah.
what you want? Sorry, huh? Did I hear it right? Wow, you want to be an artist. Photographer. Okay. You really like into photography. Oh, wow. That's your job. So you have to have a very nice camera for this, Caroline. Okay. How should parents discipline their children? This is discipline, Caroline. As you can see in the picture, discipline, and then you can reach your goal. Okay. So how does your parents or how should parents discipline their children? Are they gonna spank? They will gonna beat on them always? They will gonna shout on them always? Is that correct? Proper the proper way to discipline their children? Is that correct? Hmm? Or no?
Um,
Okay, how? For you, how?
no flowers.
It is?
I don't know.
How? Okay, so of course, one thing, Caroline, I can see when you need to discipline the children. It's not always that you are going to shout at them. Have to let them do the household chores. At least when they grow up or when you grow up, you will really know what are the important things that you are gonna do. Okay, as a parents, you don't need to shout out your kids away. Okay, then you have to
Okay.
tell them if they are wrong. Oh, but of course, as a children, you have to follow your parents, especially you, especially teens. Okay, so as what your mom said, don't fall in love early. Okay, that's very good. Your mom is really correct. Teacher and is also a mother, so I know how your mom feels. Okay, that's it. Now, let us lesson this. We have people are talking about their families. Let us lesson and let us number.
Unit 9, The Family, page 34. 2. Let's listen. People are talking about their families. Listen and number the pictures. 1,
That's me in the middle. That's my oldest niece Betsy on the left. She's in her second year of college. And that's my nephew on the right. He's just finished high school.
Oh, he's handsome.
2,
That's me on the left.
Who are the other two?
Those are my sister and brother, Maria and Jose. They're twins.
How old are they?
They're 10.
3,
That's me and my parents.
Boy, you look just like your dad.
No, I don't.
4,
This is a picture of my son and daughter.
Is your daughter older than your son?
Yes, much older. She's 26.
How old is your son?
He's 17.
That's a big difference.
5,
These are my parents, and that's my grandmother on the left.
How old is she?
She's 60.
She looks young for 60.
6,
This is my father with my uncle and aunt and 2 cousins.
Which one is your father?
The one on the left.
Oh, yes.
'Okay. So what do you think this one? Number lesson and number the pictures.
8.
Okay, letter B is number 1. Where is number 2?
Which is D.
2 is B. Okay, number 1 is B. What's number 2?
It's D.
Let me see, it's letter D. Okay, 3. What's number 3?
Number 3, F.
Okay, number 4.
Number 4, A.
Very good. 5.
Number 5, E.
5 is, where is it? Okay, that's number 5E. Okay, very good. And number 6, okay, letter C. Yes, that's the last one. Still, our topic, we are talking about family members. Okay? Hey, Caroline, thank you so much for today. Okay?
Thank you, teacher.
Yes, okay. So soon you will gonna have unit 6. I really love the topic because I want you, Caroline, to answer questions. At least you can talk. Okay, I know your enunciation is very good. The way how you what they call deliver the words. Okay, it's very nice. How you enunciate, like you ask questions, how you pause when you try to ask questions, when you try to to put marks like question marks, like punctuations mark, you are very good at that. Okay. I will tell your mom about that one. Thank you so much, Caroline, for today. Okay. Thank you,
Thank you.
Caroline. See
Thank you.
you. Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye, teacher.
Yes.